Welcome back to our channel, Business Mentality. In this following video, we're actually going to show you a review of the Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case, and it's actually going to be a giveaway as well. So stay tuned. So we've made a video before named Buying Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case from DHgate to sell on eBay, and we're going to leave that in the link below so you guys can check that out. But this is a follow-up to that video, by the way. So it took us roughly 3 weeks to receive the product. It came in a big package, as you can see in the video, by the way. And once we received the item, which was on March 26, 2019, we posted it that same day. And we also sponsored the video on eBay, just so we can sell it a bit quicker. And I'm actually going to show you guys the video. We're actually able to sell the product 6 days after, or on the 20. I'm sorry, we received it on the 21st, and we sold the first one on the 26th, which is the video we're making today, by the way. So this is going to be the phone case, the big box that it comes in, by the way, 200 pieces. Let me move this aside so you guys can check it out. So this is going to be the phone case. As you can see, the quality looks really good from the front. I'm going to flip the back. This is the back piece of the Samsung Galaxy S10. So buying these 200 wholesale and reselling them, you can make a few bucks off each. And you know, I actually want to show you a picture from Best Buy. This is one that's similar, and it actually costs $29.95. If you compare it to the one we purchased, which is the 200 pieces, we roughly got these for $2 and some change. So if you can compare both of them, these are obviously a lot cheaper, and it'd probably be a lot easier for you to sell since they're cheaper. You know, you can easily sell these for $12, $9, whatever you choose, and you can make your money's worth. So this makes it fairly easy to make money comparing to these other companies that sell for a lot more. And I'm gonna leave a link, my eBay link, if you feel like you want to purchase this case, if you're interested in it. So we also have these fantasy wireless chargers that we're selling on eBay, and these are compatible to any phone that's compatible to wireless charging. And I would say that they're fairly good. They're not extremely fast, but they charge pretty good. Now for what you guys have been waiting for. This is actually going to be a giveaway bundle. It's going to be a fantasy wireless charger and a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick 5 people to win the phone case and the charging pad. And there's these rules that you have to follow. Very simple rules to follow in order for you to win. So in order to be selected, you have to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below S10 bundle. And I'm going to leave exactly how I want you guys to write S10 bundle. Just right up here, so you know. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to pick 5 people by next Wednesday, which is going to be April 3rd, 2019 at 3:30 p.m. Pacific time. And if you're selected, we're going to reply to your comment with the word winner. Very simple, winner. And then we're going to give you 24 hours to reply back with your email address. And then from there, we're going to send you an email so you can send us your shipping address. And one thing I want you guys to do is make sure the email address is correct, and you reply within 24 hours. Okay. So this is the following details for the Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case and the wireless charging pad. So I'm gonna start first with the Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case. It's fairly simple. It's shock proof, transparent, and has a edge reinforcement, also soft and flexible. It's a fairly simple case. Very nice, but fairly simple. And for the wireless charging pad, it has a USB input, has a non-slip pad, LED indicator light, and it's compatible to devices that support wireless charging only. And if you want to purchase any of these from me directly, I'm gonna leave a eBay link for both of these, so just check it out in the description in the bottom. And that's pretty much it, guys. You know, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos where we talk about tips to make money on the side. And stay tuned. Thank you very much.